Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I'm going to show you if someone send the DPF for us, how we're going to do the cleaning process, because I got many inquiries how you're going to do the cleaning, what's the process, blah blah blah. Then I thought better to do the one video. Then if someone asks, then I can say to them, yeah, have a look this video. This is the thing I'm going to do. This is basically someone remove the DPF and bring it to us. He came from the other side of the London. However, he bring it to us. Also, you can send it to us DPF by the parcel post or by another courier service. You can send it to us. Same process we are going to do once it get. If you're going to do the courier, or if you're going to send it some delivery person, make sure this one not come with the sensor. But if your vehicle has a sensors like a temperature sensor or other sensors, NOx sensors, then we can clean same time. When you put it to the machine, we can clean. But if you going to send by courier, make sure do the nice packing. If you're not sure, you can remove and put the mark here, number 1 1 2 sensor 2, like that, put the mark. Then I can install again and I can do the cleaning process without any problem. Right, okay, I'm going to show you how we're going to do the cleaning process now. First of all, this is Citroen C4 Picasso. Normally, if your DPF block, you need to find out what's the cause for the DPF block. It could be sensor, it could be driver habit, it could be wrong fuel, it could be not doing the service, whatever, engine management light on. Lot of things involving for the DPF block, otherwise it's going nice and smooth job. Find out the problem first before you clean it, otherwise I can clean and give it to you. Problem might be come back again. Beware of that problem. If you not sort out the beginning first day, then this one going to be blocked again. I can't stop that one. Sorry, unfortunately, I'm not giving any warranty for this job, because I'll show you to the customer before I start what's the pressure. After the job, what's the pressure, then I'll hand over, because other everything depend on the driver skill and the using oil, servicing, lot of things. Yeah, right. Okay, I mentioned you this is C4 Picasso. Normally, common problem for this cars, this pipe can be blocked, because this is not part of my thingy to check the pipe, but I'll check, because I have a past experience. This pipe can be blocked. If it blocked, then again your DPF going to be blocked. I'm going to use my mini vac. Have a look, any pressure there. Right, you can see no pressure at all. That's mean this pipe not blocked, but most cars C4s, this pipe can be blocked. Better to check when you do the job. Right, okay, I'm happy for that job. Right, next one, I'm going to plug edges, make sure it won't leak from here. Right, now next step, when you're going to clean, you have to give the air pressure from back of the engine. Imagine this side, front of the engine, this one fitted to the engine. Then you have to give the pressure from here to there. Blow from this way, blow this way, then all thingy coming out. If you give the pressure here, all soot and things go in and in, it's stuck here. We have to give the pressure from opposite way. First of all, I'm going to inject the chemical and leave it half an hour to soaking inside. And also check the filter inside, is it damaged or not. You can check visually. You can put the light here, you can see now it's not damaged this side. But however, some cars we can't check that way. We'll see this side. Yeah, see, it's inside brown. Right, if it not, normally I'm going to using my camera like this, but this one no need to check. I'm going to explain the some cars, because this pipe coming blah blah blah, then we can't see inside. If it like that, basically have a look inside, you can see inside no any damages. See, no any damages, that's fine. Basically Visually I can see this one, no problem. Normally if it coming other cars, I'm check before the job, because sometime customer doesn't know what happened inside. They bring it from the garage. Once I done, I can see piece of come out from the washing. Then if it's something happened, then customer said, oh Charlie, I've been the nice DPF, you damage it. But before the job, make sure everything okay. After that, no any complaints. I don't want any complaints or any upset customers. I need to do the job properly, nicely. Then after that, all clean. Right. Okay. Then after that, I am going to spray chemical and leave it half an hour. Normally I am using 250 ml for this job, all put in. Then after that it will come out from the bottom. I'm going to leave it until come out from the bottom. It's normally take a 20 minute, maximum half an hour. Right, I already inject the chemical. Then I'm going to leave it half an hour, and same time I'm going to get ready for the my rest of thing. First I'm going to install this one. This one we need to tight properly, otherwise because of the pressure this one can blow out. Be careful, because some cars has a flange. I can put the nut and bolt here, but this car basically this exhaust doesn't have anything to clamp here. Because of that I'm going to tight this one nicely. Right, should be okay. Then I'm going to leave it half an hour and come back to you. Yeah, I left it already 27 minutes. Now you can see all chemical came out from the bottom. Right now, okay, next step I'm going to install to the machine this one. When I do, I'm going to do this way, because when I leave it like that, sometimes pressure come out from the there. Because of that I'm going to do upside down and installation here. I'm going to take under here, because otherwise it's pressure coming to the this pipe. Right, nice and tight. After that I'm going to install this hose. Right, right, I'm going to leave it underneath this one, take off little bit pressure here. Just then after that I'm going to connect my water line here. Right, now nearly there. Everything installed as should be. Sometime I'm using my blanket to cover everything, because sometimes water spill around. I'm just cover for the safer side. Right, otherwise water going everywhere. Right, next step I'm going to open the tap, little bit water in. Then after that I'm going to start my process. Now you can see the whole system pressurized. I'm going to operate now. Now have a look. Dirty stuff. You can see dirty stuff. See all stuff, right? Okay, then I'm going to empty this bucket and I'm going to the another circle. Make sure all clean water need to come out from there, but I'm happy with the first turn. Then when I do the second turn, it should be okay. Right, now I'm going to start the second turn. Now you can see all clear water coming out. That's mean cleaning process okay. Now after two turns, I'm going to stop. Right, now cleaning process okay. Now you can see all clear water coming out. Next process, we are going to do the dry. Right, now blower process. You can see at the moment 270. It's need to come around 80, 100. If it come around 80, 100, this DPF doing the good job. However, I had to leave it half an hour, 45 minutes to dry process. Right, I'm going to leave it as it is and I'll come back to you after half an hour, 45 minutes. This figure once come down. Right, after 47 minutes, now you can see it's came to the right level. Then I am happy. I'm going to switch off the machine and I'm going to hand over the DPF to the customer. Also, if you need to do DPF cleaning without remove the car, we have that facility also well, because this one I done for the many inquiries. Then I have answer now. If you need to clean as it is with the vehicle, we can do that one also well. If you have any inquiry, please contact us. Then we will give the more information. Thank you. See you in the next video.